Did you know dogs can actually smell time? It's true. Their incredible sense of smell allows them to detect subtle changes in the environment, like the scent of a person or food fading over hours. Imagine this. When you leave for work, your dog can pick up on the unique scent of your presence and how it changes as time passes. They can even sense when it's time for dinner or a walk, anticipating your routine based on those scent cues. It's like they have their own built-in clock. So, next time your pup seems to know exactly when it's time for something, remember, they're not just guessing, they're smelling the passage of time.